Okay, so here we are with this Harvard 420, and it's one of the best sensitive receivers I've come across. What did we get? Something about 0.17 microvolts. Absolutely exceptional. So the leaves are on the trees because we're coming towards the end of May. So you'll still find that when we get to Kelby, the Grey Lees Turn and Rosby Level Crossing, it'll still be scratchy. So it's good comparison because you can compare the different sets as to which ones are dodgy and which aren't, and you can also compare between summer and winter. So this came in for no transmitted audio. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie copy.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I'm on the recording.
Roger that. Right, we'll come up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station and it is closed.
Oh dear, we've got no fairy tale on the price of fuel today. Right, got you at the petrol station.
Roger that. Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now going over the top of the hill, go down in towards Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21, Chippie. Now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a 1981 Harvard 420M using the Cybernet 134 chassis and doing a full 4 watts over.
Yep, roger that, always do.
Roger! And the air conditioning on here has just come in, so if that's louder than the CB radio, that's what it's about.
Right, now going over Wilson Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Grey Lees turn. So that's the 5 mile point, and that should be the worst one. Roger, got you going over Roseby Level Crossing, and that concludes the test, thank you. 10-10. Okay, well, it was just about readable at the 6 mile point. Yeah, I sometimes get some daft comments. Is that all the range you get? No, this is our worst direction, deliberately. This is the wrong side of a hill. So he sets off from here, drives approximately 2 miles, and then that's when he radios in from the top of the hill, drops down into Scratchy Corner, which is on the wrong side of a hill, and then he's in a cutting through stone which has been previously quarried. The road goes with cliffs either side, and then you come into trees either side, and this is all the wrong side of a hill, so it's our worst possible direction. That's why we do this. If I sent him out to Nottingham, we'd be getting 35 miles. That would be a silly test because we'd be spending a fortune in fuel, wouldn't we, driving out there, and it would take a lot of time doing it. So it's a comparison test, and the key point is Scratchy Corner. So there you go. We'll go over to our base station and we will see what this sounds like on a standard replacement, Shaman's replacement coffin mine.
Tango 21 testing the Harvard 420M with a standard replacement coffin microphone into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 12345 54321.